you notice, I bread the chicken like this. Now here's the secret. I pick the chicken up, and most people want to tap the chicken like this to knock off the excess breading, but what happens is you pull it when it touches the skin. So I just hit my hand gently, and then I place the chicken here on the pan here in order. And by order, I mean I'm putting all the same pieces together. That way, when it comes time to fry it, it will go in the fryer easier. Now I've got a little bit of water here. I'm getting the chicken wet. That way the breading sticks better. So to get back to pressure frying, like I told you, it's a healthier way of cooking, but also it's a much faster way of cooking. When we cook under pressure, we're actually cutting some time off of our cooking. We can go from maybe 10-15 minutes down to less than 12 minutes. And for a 2.5 pound chicken, we can actually fry in about 10.5 minutes. So these are my bigger pieces, the thighs and the breast. I keep breading them like this. Now Henny Penny manufactures lots of different breadings. If you go to our website, you can see we have about 15 different breadings. We have some with low salt, no MSG. We have almost any flavor profile you want to have. And all the breadings are single step, where all you do is get the chicken wet, like I'm doing here, and place it on a pan. You know, most people like to do a pre-wash if you want, but we find with most of our breadings here, single step is perfect for it. So, breading this chicken does take a couple minutes to do it, as you can see here, but we just keep doing this. Now, another thing about pressure frying is it actually uses much less power, because with the Henny Penny pressure fryers, we can actually tell the fryer, take a break, take a nap. We make it go to idle mode. And what happens there is that the temperatures drop about 50, 60 degrees wherever we program it. That way we're not using electricity. And another way the pressure fryer helps us make money is we just cook faster. So the faster we cook at lower temperatures, we cook about 335, we're going to make money that way, or keep from spending money. And probably one of the best things about our Henny Penny fryers is the built-in filtering. We don't have to do the normal filtering like we do, where we have to take a pot and drain it out, you know, small pot by pot, and then pour it back in. Everything's done automatically with our Henny Penny pressure fryers. When we do pressure fried chicken, we want to bread it and let it set for about 15 minutes before we actually fry it. So I've got some chicken that I just breaded to the basket, and I'm going to pick it up about 1 inch and go shake, 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 shake. Put it back in like that. Now I close the lid, spin the handle here. So I have red ball, press button number 1, and we're frying. This is going to take about 11 minutes for this load right here, and then we will have some fresh fried chicken. I turn it off, it's telling me to filter. We'll open the lid like this, press down the lid. You can see the moisture comes down, goes through the channel here, down into this drain here. We don't want the water to go down in the oil, because that's hydrolysis. That's not good for the oil to have water. So we'll bring this up. I'm going to let it sit there just a second, and then we'll drain it.